Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Lamicall retractable car charger. This plugs into the cigarette lighter of your car, and it has two retractable cables. It has a lightning cable for your older iPhones. You can go ahead and pull that and it retracts. But it also has a USB-C, which is nice for Android phones. It's also nice for newer iPhones. Look how much that retracts. So it's easily reachable by anybody in the front seats. You can simply pull on it to retract. It's got a 30 watt maximum. It's got 3 amp USB-C port right here and a 2.4 amp USB-C port right here. Nice protective cover on this, and you can rotate this thing around completely. So let's go ahead and see how this looks in the car. So here it is in the slot in the car. As you can see the voltage right there. It's currently about 12 volts, and this thing can get out of the way like that. You can also rotate it up. And again, here are those cables, nice and retractable, which is nice because it keeps the cables out of the way. So overall, I highly recommend this retractable car charger. Thanks for watching.